videotaping.
Hey, buddy, how's it going?
Hey, it's Coke Clan. We're driving side by side. You might not be able to hear us, though. We got my buddy driving a Chevy. We're coming back from Cedar Rapids. Oh, fuck. And, he's driving right next to us. We're doing about 35 on the interstate. It's gonna be a fast video because we don't want to get in trouble sitting here fucking around doing only about 35. My God. Alright, this is Coke Clan, and Pukey and Kyle are in the Chevy that just drove past me, and I'm driving a little Ford Ranger. Everybody have a good night.